and welcome back to our channel. And for today's episode, it's going to be something special. Enough of the travel videos and what other stuff I have been doing from the past. So this time it's going to relate to our health. I'm not trying to be a medical expert here, but it's only based on my experience. Especially with this COVID situation and COVID period, we actually need to boost ourselves and our immune system. And there is one way that we have found out that helps us boost our immune system by just using these very simple ingredients. And we've actually found this remedy in one of the shops that we used to order healthy sandwiches, and when we tried it, it actually gave us energy. So I was saying why not do it myself and try to improvise based on the ingredients that I have. So apparently guys, what I'm going to be making is some sort of juice, but it's not just an ordinary juice. It's something that has a lot of health benefits. Alright, so for example, as you can see, we're using the orange and the lime, and I hope everybody knows what are the benefits of the oranges and the lime, yeah? Not only it gives us vitamin C, which is very important nowadays apart from wearing masks. We need to keep having vitamin C in our body, and it also keeps us hydrated. What is more devastating when you are dehydrated and you are outside, especially in this heat? So we don't want that. And not also, these two will also aid digestion. So anyone suffering from mild to extreme indigestion, they can have the orange or the lime straight or make a juice out of it. That also helps. Apart from that, there is another important thing that we need to remember. It may not help a lot, but it somehow prevents developing kidney stones. So this is just for the orange and the lime, yeah? Now let's go to our turmeric powder. What benefits do we have? Turmeric powder easily helps in aiding colds, runny nose, and the feeling of being weak. So it's very important. It also aids sinusitis, and the main thing, it boosts your immune system. So imagine combining your vitamin C with your turmeric, what benefit it gives to your body. So there's no harm in trying, and I just want to share it with everybody because we have proven the effectiveness of this certain juice. Yeah, very easy. Honey to replace sugar, as I have mentioned, and for those girls who wanted to have a little weight loss, ginger is also an effective alternative of drinking those pills and I don't know what. I mean, we also have to exercise, huh? And another benefit of ginger, it prevents nausea, the feeling of dizziness, and it mellows down your cholesterol level. So guys, combining all of these will create fire in your immune system. So I'm not going to say a lot of things, I'm just going to show you how it's done. So we have the fruits, the honey, the ginger and the turmeric, the juice maker, place where you put the juice, and of course we may need boiling water later to mix and melt the two powders from the ginger and the turmeric. Okay, so I'm gonna start now, and please enjoy. We cut the oranges into half. Okay, so our lime and orange mixture is now done. So I'm just gonna boil water so I can mix the ginger and the turmeric powder. I'm back, guys, with my kettle of boiling water. So apparently what we just need to do is just to mix or pour enough amount of water to dilute our ginger and turmeric so it becomes, I don't know, deep yellow, orange in color. So you just stir it till it melts. Okay. So now that it's done, we're gonna pour it here and mix it with our orange and lime juice. Okay, just be careful because it's quite hot and we don't want you guys to burn yourself. So just look at that mix. Alright, wow, that's a good quantity over there. Stir it again. Add our honey. For me, I always put 2 teaspoons of honey, not too sweet and not too blunt. Okay, so just pour it. And stir it. If you want, you can taste if it's the right sweetness or sourness that you like, but I'm telling you, it's really strong. It's not just sour, but it gives you this fiery effect in your body. And one more thing before I forget, this is not really advisable for people that has an acid reflux like me, but I always try to have it once a week or twice a month. Not much because I know my acid gets triggered when I do a lot of vitamin C's or anything that has acid in it. But you know, I need to keep my immune system boosted. So I do have it once a week. And it doesn't really trigger much in my acid, just moderation is very important. So now that we're done mixing everything, we're gonna transfer it to our Starbucks. Drink it like this, lukewarm, yeah, a little bit warm, or you can chill it in the refrigerator for half an hour to 1 hour if you want it to be a little bit colder. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it and stay tuned for our next video. Ciao. Our ingredients for our fire boost are very simple. So you only need to have 2 oranges, and since I don't have the yellow lemon, I use 4 limes. That could suffice the amount of the 2 lemons. After that, you also need honey. I got this honey from West Zone. It's called Sari. Not necessarily an expensive one, but something that you could replace for sweetening instead of using sugar. And then of course the very important one, we have 2 teaspoons of ginger and 2 teaspoons of turmeric, both in powder. We also have our manual juicer here because I don't have the electronic one. And I have my favorite Starbucks mug or cup, if you say it. This is where I'm putting all the juices, and it will be ready to serve. Of course, we do have our chopping board and of course the knife that we're going to be using when we are preparing the fire boost. Alright? So enjoy this little video, and I hope you like it and give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.